Environmental issues. Question 1. Consider the following statements with reference to wildlife protection initiatives. 1. Plan B, a unique strategy adopted by Northeast Frontier Railway to keep wild elephants away from railway tracks, has won the Best Innovation Award by Indian Railways. 2. Project Rehab, reducing elephant-human attacks using bees, in which bee fences are created by setting up bee boxes in the passageways of elephants to block their entrance to human territories, is launched by Indian Railways. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. None of the above. Question 2. As per the State of India's Environment, SOE, 2022 released by Centre for Science and Environment, India recorded 280 heatwave days across 16 states in 2022, most in the decade. In the context of this, look at the following statements. 1. Low pressure on the Earth's surface causing above air to come down, which cause the air warms up and heat waves are generated. 2. Marine heat waves over Indian Ocean are caused due to high solar radiation and strong winds. 3. New Delhi is the first South Asian city to develop and implement a citywide heat health adaptation. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 3. Which of the following have been labeled as the forever chemicals? A. Dichlorodiphenyl trichloroethane, DDT. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Chlorofluorocarbons. D. Perfluoroalkyl and polyfluoroalkyl substances. Question 4. Consider the following statements regarding fly ash. 1. Fly ash, it is a fine powder with substantial amounts of oxides of silica, aluminum and calcium. 2. New fly ash utilization rules aim to achieve 100% utilization of fly ash in 10 years. 3. Under new rules, non-compliant power plants will be imposed with an environmental compensation of 1,000 rupees per tons on unutilized ash during the end of every financial year. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 5. Prakriti is a mascot launched by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change to spread greater awareness among masses regarding A. Natural farming, organic farming and organic foods. B. Sustainable lifestyle for a better environment. C. Conservation of wildlife and endangered species. D. Rainwater harvesting. Question 6. Consider the following statements regarding Shunya Labeling Program. 1. The Shunya Program for Net Zero Energy Buildings, NZE, B, and Net Positive Energy Buildings, NPE, B, was launched by Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. 2. A net zero energy building is one that relies on renewable sources to produce as much energy as it uses, usually as measured over the course of a year. 3. For Shunya labeling, Central Electricity Authority will verify the data and after the assessment, appropriate certificate and plaque will be issued. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 2 and 3 only. B. 1 only. C. 2 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 7. Consider the following statements with reference to water scarcity. 1. Due to the minimum support policy, agriculture is resulting in overexploitation of water. 2. Since 2012, the water crisis has consistently been ranked as one of the threats with the highest potential impact as well as likelihood, according to the Global Risk Report. 3. As per the report released by the Department of Water Resources in June 2019, India is facing the worst ever water crisis in history. 4. To address the issue, The government is using the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Program. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1, 2 and 4 only. B. 1, 3 and 4 only. C. 2, 3 and 4 only. D. All of the above. Question 8. Consider the following statements in context of green rating for integrated habitat assessment. Griha 1. It is a green building rating system jointly set up by the Energy and Resources Institute, TERI, and the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, MNRE. 2. Griha has been developed to rate only the residential buildings in India, emphasizing the national environment concerns. 3. Global Housing Technology Challenge, India, GHTC India, was organized with an aim to identify and mainstream a basket of innovative technologies from across the globe that are sustainable and disaster resilient. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 9. Consider the following statements with reference to green economy. 1. It is defined as low carbon, resource efficient and socially inclusive. 2. It includes a consumption-linked incentive for the domestic manufacturing of solar modules. 3. The provision for introduction of sovereign green bond was laid down in the budget 2022. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above.